Hi everybody. Today I realized deeply why we have bad habits like eat more that we really want to eat, smoking or drink alcohol, maybe look at porno, do some negative habits, guys. Why we understand that it's bad for us, it's useless for us, but we keep doing it sometimes when we feel as upset. The key point is, guys, I have read this information in book. This book is called Happiness Chemical, and this book explains that we have this type of systems, our brain systems, when we achieve something, when we do something, after really short time, our body stop create positive emotion, positive chemical. Our body stop create happiness chemical, and after that we feel upset, we feel that something doing wrong, and we don't understand what is wrong, but we think it looks like, we feel it like we must do something, we must doing something. We don't understand what is wrong, but we feel that we must doing something. And because we have habits, for example, we have this formula that when we eat something sugar, something tasty, we feel we really easy and fast feel us better. And through this formula, through these habits, when we only feel us wrong, feel us that something going wrong, that our maybe we think that we must doing something, we go in this way, we just eat more what we need, eat food, we eat sugar or drink beer, for example, maybe look at shots, empty shots, maybe look at porno, and do some useless, and not only useless, bad, worse for us things, which create unhealthy, worthless, and only negative and badly future for us. And we have majority people, I think all people have the same things. I am too. Recently I thought that what can I do for enjoy life, for create positive mood, and I think, okay, I can smoke, okay, it looks I can smoke, I can eat something some sugar, and I have read one part of this book and realize, guys, that it's happened each time, guys, each time, in the morning, in the lunch, in the evening, when our body stopped create positive emotion, we feel that something going wrong and we must doing some action that makes us happy. And as usual, we think about some easy variants: sugar, TV, some entertainment, useless. And the key point is to change these negative habits for some positive habits. And maybe first step can be just really understand that it's not something wrong with you, it's, and we mustn't maybe react for this, our body reaction for this, our emptiness inside us. Yeah, no, it's just like some philosophy, guys. Just note these things in yourself, guys, that you don't want to eat, but because of you, I can't say upset, I just think that I need something more, that it looks like I must doing something, I not enough satisfied in this moment, and through these things I eat more, I can smoke, I can do bad things. But the key point is, when I eat sugar or smoke in this moment and after these negative habits, I feel me worse. I feel me worse. I don't feel me better. No, maybe a little bit, but I think why did I eat a lot of sugar? Why did I smoke? I try to make my immune system stronger. Why, on the other hand, I crush my immune system with smoke, with huge sugar? It looks like some idiot systems. Idiot appreciate appraisement. Okay. Thank you for your attention, man. If you can opportunities, try to read or listen to chemical happiness chemical. It's really useful for us book, which can help us deeply understand our nature, why we so much interesting people. Thank you for attention, guys. See you.